Hi, this is Rifath here. I'm the CTO and lead scientist of Space Kids India. We are a nano satellite manufacturer. We make satellites weighing around 25 kg. We work with private space companies.
Very good, very good. That is the topic today.
Yeah. So I basically spoke about what are nano satellites, what are small satellite basically, and how they are helpful, and how I got into this industry.
This is students helpful or business people?
So today, for the audience, most of the 70% of the audience are students.
Yes.
So it is more of an awareness session, like how I got into this career and how they can also get into space industry.
Yeah, one of the speaker. You are how about the how to?
Yeah, it was a great experience. We had a lot of fun, and I hope it was useful to students.
Yes. What about evening and tomorrow's sessions? And evening is one of the awards also there.
Yeah, there are so many speakers coming. It's very interesting. There are multiple sessions going at multiple venues, and so many experts are coming. So it's amazing to see all this.
Yeah, tomorrow are you continue tomorrow?
No. I'm leaving today evening.
Yeah, fine. That's it. Anything?
Yeah.
You can...
Yeah, it's amazing. Thanks to Avotech and all the people who organize. It's amazing. I hope students really get some benefit out of it.
This is the first time you are.
Sorry,
This is the first time you came here.
for this event particularly Avotech.
Yes.
For Avotech, it's first time. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.